it's your boy, no, yeah. Girl, you're the apple of me eye, angel of me life. If any day, give me tonight. Girl, you get too tight. You're the apple of me eye, angel of me life. If any.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Funky Diamond, as you heard. Today's tutorial is on matte eyeshadow. It's very easy to do yourself, so in case you just want to do something very neutral, if you don't want to go through dramatic, and that's why I complement the look with this lipstick, even though I'm not feeling the lipstick very well, but I think it's not too bad for the look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please do not forget to leave a comment. Also like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Eyebrows are done now, so I'll move to the eye, and I'll just cover up my dark area, my lid, with a concealer, Elegant Pro Concealer in Espresso.
If any day, give me tonight. Girl, you get too tight. You're the apple of me.
For my eyeshadow today, I'll be using a FUNKIE eyeshadow palette in 35 Jemima, and I'll be picking these shades. For the transition color, I'm going to be picking this from the same palette.
There's no need to take off your catapulta. Just move.
I'll be blending both with the same brush I use for the lid.
For
my eyeliner, I'm using this collection Black Pot, and I really like it. So now I'm going to move to my face, and I'll be priming my face with Pond Oil Control.
You're the apple of me eye, angel of me life. If any day, give me tonight.
Also, I'll be priming my face with this Facefinity All Day Primer. I'm still in love with this primer, so I can't stop using it. So I'm using this L'Oreal True Matte Foundation in Deep Cool. Oh God, why? Like, why is this watery? I seriously don't understand L'Oreal again. Like, what just happened right now? Something is wrong with this. I shake the bottle before I even press it, and you know, when that liquid just dropped, I was thinking maybe I didn't shake the bottle very well, and I had to shake and shake and shake the bottle, and still it was watery. And I recently just got like 4 of them. I don't understand, seriously. To highlight my face, I'll be using the same Elegant Pro Concealer in Espresso.
Tonight, girl, you get too tight. You're the apple of me eye, angel of me life. If any day, give it tonight. Girl, you get too tight, my love. Shawty wanna drink and smoke. She wants a Menacee and
Setting the highlighted area with this Sacha Buttercup powder.
she call me Chin and so professional performance, me a press play. That's why she not fit till it our sex tape. No wonder when your man make love to you, all you do is hold him tight and say me name. Girl, if you give me your body, I no go telling nobody. Girl, if you give me your body, I no go telling nobody. Girl, if you give me good loving, I no go telling nobody. Baby, promise I never kiss and tell. Girl, you're the apple of me eye, angel of me life. If any day, give me tonight. Girl, you get too you did too tight, my love.
Using the same color to smoke my under eye.
Girl, you did too tight, my love. Girl, you did too tight, my love.
I'll be setting my overall face with the Collection Primed and Ready Makeup Fitting Spray.
Too tight, my love. Shawty wanna drink and smoke. She wants a Hennessy and Coke. She just wanna chill and poke. So I make her scream my name, she call me Chin and so. Professional performance, me a press play, eh. That's why she not fit till it our sex tape. No wonder when your man make love to you, all you do is hold him tight and say me name. Girl, if you give me your body,